Today I will show you a new session to how to plot a site and cells in Google Earth. So let's not waste any time and start. So I have created a dummy file, dummy CSV file. Just make it sure it's CSV. Just put three sites, longitude and latitude of those three sites. So we just need to open Google Earth. Then we click on import, and this is my file. So this is my CSV file. Just make sure the file is CSV. So just make it save as CSV. So we just click open. Then you will see the file will be shown in Google Earth. The site name, the longitude and latitude. The CSV file was comma delimited. So we just click finish. Do you want to apply a style? You can click on yes, that's not a problem. On the field name, you can set the site as it will show in the Google Earth tab. The site name will be shown. If you want to put any color, you can color it or use because the sites you don't need to put any color. So actually you don't need to set up a color. So if you want, you can do that also, no problem. So there's an option for colors, but we will color that for the cell levels, but we don't need to do it for site. But if you want, you can do that. Then we just click OK. Then you will need to save the file. This is just the template, so you can save it, no problem. Our site is already created. Just you will see, I will just click it. You will see the three sites, AAA, BBB, CCC. It's already created. Okay, you see it's already showing with the longitude and latitude. It's showing in the Google Earth. This is the three sites we have created, so it's very easy. So now I will show you how to create cells in Google Earth. For that reason, I have created also on top of these sites. I have created a cells like this for AAA, BBB, and CCC. I have created like for three bands like GSM 900, DCS 1800, or you can do it for like LT 1800 or something like that, and UMTS 2100. Like I have created 9 cells for each side so that I can show you different types of combination in one Google Earth plot. Then we need, as usual, we need the cell names. So I have put after the cell the cell after the site, 1 2 3 4 9 cells. Then the longitude, latitude. Then the most important thing is that azimuth. We need the azimuth to show the direction of the cells. Then these are tilt and height you can put, but it's optional. But when you like hold on of the cell over the cell, you can show the attributes of what attributes you give in the cells. Another two important aspects for this creation is you need to mention the beam and the bore. So from the beam you can show how the horizontal beam width will be shown in the Google Earth plot, and the bore is how much distance you want to make the wings of the cells. So actually these are in miles because we have to convert it from Mapinfo. So other also you can give other attributes like from the OSS KPIs also you can put that can be shown also in Google Earth like traffic and other things also. So I have just created a dummy file to show you things. So let's close it and open Mapinfo and make it a tab file because we have to uh, import as tab file in Google Earth. So let's create a tab file for these cells. So let's open it from documents, Google Earth. So we click on Excel. So this is cell. We open. this is our type file is created. Now we have to make a mapinfo site C file. Okay, we go to table. We need the site C mbx file to create this boundary and the cell level wings. So from the site C, we go to create site boundaries. Then this is the my main file. Then for latitude, we will show you the latitude column. For longitude, we will show you the longitude column. This is the cell radius. Means from the Excel file I created the bore. So I will show you that one. The bore means how much radius will the cell will show on Google Earth. It's in mile, so we can calculate that how much distance. Like for my Excel file, I have given the cell radius of 900 is maximum, then 1800, then 2100 according to the frequency. So I have created the cell radius. I have shown from the Excel. Then actually the beam width, I have already given the beam width, so I will select that one. Then the orientation is the azimuth. So I have given all the attributes. Then I click OK. Then I have to save it. So like I can save it as Google. So tab file is saved. I can show you in the like this one is created in Mapinfo, like 3 sites, 9 cells, different shapes. Okay. Now we will just import in Mapinfo. So, oh sorry, in Google Earth. So let's go to Google Earth. So from Google Earth, we will click on import. We click on import, then we will select tab, Mapinfo tab. There's an option for Mapinfo tab. So we click on Mapinfo tab here. You see the Google, the file we have just created. So we double click on it. We click on yes. We can create a new template as we have divided in set any new template for cell level. So we click OK. Here is the attribute that we want that will be shown in the Google Earth left side tab. So if you want to show cell level, it will show cell level, or if you want to show site level, it will show site, because we have already set as site level. So let's set this one as cell level, because the main file is from cell level. So we click on cell. Then color, this is the most important thing, making the Mapinfo cells in Google Earth. So we click on use set color from the field, not single color. Okay, so color field, how we want to define or segregate the colors. So I have created a band which will differentiate from one cell to another cell. So I click on band because we have 3 different bands: GSM, DCS 1800, and GSM 900, 1800, and 2100. So I click on band, then I will select the colors I will show in the Google Earth. So I have to show a range of colors so that it can segregate from those colors. So like I have to give a start color and end color. So like if I give a start color from here and end color from here, so you will see, so from these colors he will select 3 colors from here. I can show you here also. Like see, he has created 3 bands because I have selected here as band. If I select different one, it will show different. So as I have created band, it has shown 3 different bands and as 9 counts. So these are the colors that will be created in Mapinfo, Google Earth, in different colors. So UMTS will be in red, GSM 900 will be in yellow, and DCS 1800 will be in green. Another important thing I can show you, like If I click on created subfolders for each bucket, it will give different things like folder name. You can give, like for each site, you can um, give the segregation of cells. Like this cell will be of 2100 cells. I will show from Google Earth again. Like this one is 900 cells, and this is 1800 cells. You can give it a different names also. Just this is random. So another thing is height. It's not important because I have already height in my file. I can just give the elevation. So it's not a mandatory thing. You can just ignore it also, no problem. Main thing is this, the color and the name. Name, I will show the cell, and color is the main thing to create this file. So I have given the three colors. Now we just click OK and just save it as a template. We can replace it, that's not an issue. So it's already created. Because it's a small file, it's just one click. You see, these are the folders I was talking about: 900, 1800, 2100 subfolders we have created. If you want to see, these are the files already created. So the colors actually not showing properly, but if we edit the colors, it can show you properly. So let's see, just I show you the yellow is the 900, 1800 is the DCS, and 900 and 2100 is the GSM. So the three different colors are selected. But from when you create, you can create different colors. That's not an issue. Like there's a folder. So if I click one folder, uncheck, you will see two layers are gone. We check again. Now if you want to like remove 2100, see 2100 is gone. So you can just play with it. If you want to show any one band, you can show any one band. So it's up to you. This way how you can edit also. So it's very easy. You don't need to like process anything from other tools also. These are the regular tools the telecommunication engineer use, the Google Earth and the Mapinfo. So you can easily do it to convert it Mapinfo to Google Earth, because it's very important in our day-to-day to plot the sites in Google Earth to show the roads and what is the elevation and everything. So that's it for today. I think the video has helped you a lot. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for any important videos. If you want to show make a video, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to do it as soon as possible. So thank you very much for today. Goodbye.